Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. I have a lawnmower here that I got a year or so ago, and had some puppies that go too crazy and chewed the cord off of it. So we got to replace that. Got my buddy Shine here. We're both going to turn into this and dig into this. So.
These are 5/16.
The 5/16.
I done broke them loose and got them all. Make sure we put all the bolts together. It's got a little winter.
Well,
winter setup.
This will be its first start of the year anyway, too. Also,
see, starter clutch is still good.
Yeah, they just see the cord goes all the way up to here. It's one of them handle pull starts. Pull that pin right out.
Set that one, we'll lose it.
Well.
Oh, the spring had done lost its
Well,
tension.
that's where the cord had been chewed off into. Well, if we can get by just putting a handle back on there, we can just go ahead and replace the cord.
Al, that cord don't look that bad, and it's
Same cord.
smaller, isn't it?
They just chewed the handle off of it, didn't they?
Yeah. I don't know. It's.
Hey, we go ahead and replace it since it's.
We can measure the length of it,
Yeah.
plus a little to tie the knot. That way we.
Then we have to reload that spring and get everything together.
We gotta see the direction that it's coming off too. Make sure we put it on there the right way.
Yeah. Well, it's got a notch that sort of tells you when you put the string in. Mailman bringing bills.
Yeah. That's how they light up our lives. No.
I think it's a real knot.
Yeah. Just loop through.
This looks like it's thicker.
Looks thicker actually. Still some work. You want to measure the length of it?
We can. I don't think they chewed it into. I think they just chewed the handle
There's
off.
a big difference here. If we have too much on it, we'll be outside the wheel, so we need to just cut it like right here. Where do you want it? Yeah, we need to
Either that or
cut
we
it there.
Well,
We don't know how much broke off, though, do we?
no. The other cord was a little bit more, but just thick.
We need to cut that off right there, though. Get that end on it. We lay it down before it falls off somehow. Ain't got a ladder, do you?
Nope. Throw it in the Jeep.
would use a knife, but a lot of times I end up cutting my fingers instead of the rope. I'm still going to have to resort to the knife. Then we'll burn that end to keep it from fraying out from the cord. A little Sheffield tool, that'll leave home without it. Tell you what, I got a lighter that's wind resistant. Gotta always make sure we use safety first. If it's up on the table, we gotta make sure we don't. Make sure you don't burn your finger.
I'm not seeing it. A lot more.
It looks like that knot's been switched.
Move the camera over so we wouldn't in camera.
Switch them out, that one on the right, left.
You might have to just use the handle, put the other cord back in.
Not this one. Put one more string on it. Can't come outside. Now we gotta clean this out.
You gotta put your thing.
Yeah, I will here in a second. I gotta tighten up the spring. So this thing pulls. See, pulls this direction, right?
Yep.
So we gotta have it to where. See here. Probably better places to do this, better ways of doing this. Let me double check something. Well, I made the blooper reel.
Made a blooper reel.
Yeah, I made the blooper reel.
What did you do? Miss the tab? Miss the tab?
No, I went the wrong direction.
Well, find that string, find that cord, and put that string in, and run it through. You're tightening up.
It feels like it's tightening up, but then it was tightening up.
So you need to take that string back off and just tighten it up first, and then put a cord, then put a string into the hole.
Yeah, that's why I guess that's the best way. The only problem is it's gonna be so hard to hold it. Yeah. There you go. Let me see what I can.
We can't eat it.
See, I don't think my spring here is catching on this hook right there.
Right there. So, hold on. So, according to this thing goes this direction. There we go. Yes, sir.
You wouldn't hold your mouth right.
I never lose. That's pretty tight. I don't want to.
I wouldn't go too
I'm
crazy.
afraid that's pretty tight. I mean, if we go one more, it's going to be tight.
Yeah.
But it might not pull the rope in all the way. Let's see what one more feels like. Here, you want to push on it and see what you think?
Let's try that.
Or do you want to go one more?
Go one more.
I mean, that's not a lot of pressure. I mean,
We don't need a whole lot.
no, but we need enough to pull that rope in without it dragging under the lawnmower.
Yeah. Okay, now where's our hole at on our...
Well,
That's our own.
it's here on the wheel.
Okay, here is the hole here, so we need to... So I need to bring it in on your side for the knot.
There you go, boss.
Right there is the hole.
Right there's my pliers if you need them.
Yeah, it needs to push down with.
Don't let go of it during this time, because there you're going to have a mess. Try to get that back down in there so it gets on that wheel. You ready?
Yeah, I got it.
And don't just let this thing loose to fly loose either. Well, it'd probably been smarter to put the clip back on it. That's it. That's what we figured on there.
Yeah, of course, by the time we put it up there where it goes, it'd be plenty of string.
Hold on, it's still going.
Yeah. Quarters. Let's put some gas in it. I'm recording it now. We put some gas in it, so it's going. Of course, I can't hit the hole.
Most people recommend funnel. You doing all right though. Get that plug cleaned and you want to try it?
Try it.
I also checked up inside the muffler, make sure nothing building that stuff in it. This thing ain't got no gas on the off switch though. No. I bet it's that rust that's on that piece. That coil.
Good thing. I can't remember if that had a prodding ball on it or not.
It'll be over.
No, it ain't got no prodding ball.
Breather here.
It's a little bit, not a whole lot. Of course, let's move this because the camera's right where the discharge is at. Might have to. I'm gonna actually hit the record button there. Sometimes we get started this year. Put the breather back on.
Boy, you're one of the best mechanics in this side.
Yeah, sure. That's getting deep.
I'm a fisherman.
So it starts back. And she mows. Folks, thanks for watching, and please give Shine some love there, where his is just video debut.
Yeah.
And
Like and subscribe.
have a wonderful day. He mowed him a stripe and he's found something. Let's see what he's found.
Half a day snake or something?
That's a snake skin.
There's something there rolling around or something.
Yeah, a snake skin or somebody that ate a snake.
Huh?
Feels like someone's ate a snake.
Something.
Probably a cat. Well, folks, it does seem tomorrow.